In this video I'm going to show you guys how to change your Discord profile picture on phone. This should work on both iOS and Android of course, so if you want to change your profile picture then make sure you watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Also, if you want to do this on PC, click on the info card and yeah, let's get started. First of all, open the Discord app, click on your account icon on the bottom right corner, click on account right here, click on your profile picture, and as you can see you can change your profile picture right here. I'm just gonna choose this one, click on choose, and as you can see it's updated. Yeah, and that's basically it. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I would appreciate that. Bye.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.